Hello all. In this session, we are going to discuss about Trennbare Verben. Trennbare Verben means separable verbs. Verbs which can be divided into two parts. Yeah. So let's start. So first verb is aufstehen. Aufstehen, it can be broken into two parts. Auf und stehen. Stehen remains at the second position and auf goes at the end of the sentence. What do you mean by aufstehen? Aufstehen means to wake up. So let's see how do we make a sentence out of it. Example, you must have heard ich stehe 7 Uhr auf means I wake up at 7 o'clock. So if you look at carefully at this particular sentence, so stehen, yeah, it remains at the second position after ich, and auf goes at the end of the sentence. Yeah, and stehen becomes stehe because it gets conjugated with ish. So whenever we use any verb with ish, it has to end with e. Let's see another sentence. Wann stehst du am Wochenende auf? Means when do you get up on weekend? Yeah. So again over here the verb is aufstehen. Yeah, auf goes at the last and stehen becomes stets, yeah, because the subject is du, yeah, and whenever any verb comes with du, it ends with st. So that is why stehen becomes stets. Yeah, let's see the another verb. Another verb is anrufen. So again, this is a Trennbare verb and it can be divided into two parts. That is rufen plus an. Yeah. And rufen stays at the second position along with the subject and an goes at the last of the sentence. What do you mean by anrufen? Anrufen means to call. Yeah, let's see how to make a sentence out of it. Example, Arman ruft Wippen an. Yeah, so anrufen means to call. So the meaning of this sentence is Arman calls Wippen. Yeah, so an goes at the last and rufen gets conjugated with Arman, and Arman is air. Yeah, so that is why it becomes roofed. Arman roofed Wippen an. That is Arman calls Wippen. Next sentence. Mein Vater ruft meine Mutter an. Mein Vater, that is my father, calls my mother. Yeah, because anrufen is nothing but to call. We break into two parts, but the meaning remains as it is. That means to call. So an goes at the last of the sentence, and yeah, rufen becomes roofed because the subject is mein Vater. Yeah, air. That is why it becomes roofed. I hope this is clear. Next verb is fernsehen. Fernsehen. It is again another verb which is Trennbare verb, that is separable verb, which can be broken into two parts, sehen und fan. Yeah, it means to watch TV. Let's see how do we make a sentence out of it. So it is ich stehe 7 Uhr fan. Ich sehe 7 Uhr fan. That means I see TV at 7 o'clock. So what is the verb over here? Verb is fernsehen. But because it's a separable verb, fern goes at the last and sehen gets conjugated with ish. Because as I said, yeah, whenever any verb comes with ish, it has to end with e. That is why ich sehe 7 Uhr fan. That means I see TV, I watch TV at 7 o'clock. Next sentence. Wie lange siehst du jeden Tag fan? Yeah, jeden Tag means every day. So wie lange means how long. Yeah, and the verb is fernsehen. When the verb comes with du, it has to end with st. That is why sehen becomes siehst. Yeah, so and fern goes at the last because it's a separable verb. So it means how long do you watch TV? Every day. Next verb is zurückfahren. Zurück means back. Yeah, zurückfahren is again another separable verb which can be broken into two parts, fahren und zurück. Yeah, it means to travel back. Yeah, let's see an example. Yeah, wann fährst du nach Hause zurück? Yeah, when do you travel back to home? Yeah, so wann fährst. So yeah, verb over here is zurückfahren. Zurück goes at the last of the sentence, yeah, and fahren gets conjugated with the subject. And what is the subject over here? Subject is du, so that is why wann fährst du? Nach Hause, that is to house, yeah. Zurück is when do you travel back to home. Next sentence, ich fahre zur Schule zurück, yeah, I travel back to school. Ich fahre zur Schule, that is to the school, yeah. Zurück, so verb is zurückfahren. I hope this is clear. Now the last verb that we are going to see in this particular video is anfangen. The verb is fangen plus an, that is anfangen, that means to start. Example, wie viel Uhr fängt der Film an? That means at what time the film starts. Yeah, wie viel Uhr, that is at what time. Verb is anfangen. Yeah, anfangen is a separable verb, that is why an goes at the last and fangen gets conjugated with der Film, that is why fängt. Yeah, good. Next sentence is fangen wir die Klasse an? Yeah, that is we are starting the class. That is, yeah, wir is a subject and fangen gets conjugated with, yeah, fangen, so it remains fangen, and an goes at the last, means we are starting the class. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you so much.